Good morning, dear students. Today we will start the physics class of chapter 1, that is electric charges and field. So before going to discuss about chapter 1, so first we will discuss the unit 1 under which this chapter it is. So unit 1 is electrostatic. Unit 1, that is electrostatic. So electrostatic, it is the combination of two words, that is electro and static. So electro means electricity and static means rest. So what does the electrostatic means? Electrostatic means electrostatic means electricity at electricity at rest. So, what is electricity at rest? So, to know the electricity at rest, we have to know another term, that is called electrodynamics. It is also comprises with two words, that is electro and dynamics. Electro means electricity and dynamics means motion. So what does electrodynamics means? Electrodynamics means electricity in motion. Electricity in motion. So what is electricity in motion? So let's know. Electricity in motion is current. According to Ohm's law, Ohm's law क्या कहा था? Ohm's law states that current is the continuous flow of charge from one terminal to other. From one terminal to other. So current is what? Current is continuous flow of charge. That is electricity in motion. That is electrodynamics. So this current what we use actually at our home. जिस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से जिस करंट से हमको लाइट मिलती है, हीट मिलता है, तो ये सब क्या है? दिस इज ड्यू टू दिस करंट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन motion. So electricity in motion, we understood that it is a continuous flow of charge. कंटिन्यूसली चार्ज एक टर्मिनल से दूसरी टर्मिनल तक फ्लो होता रहता है. बट व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट रेस्ट? तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट रेस्ट इज व्हाट? Electricity at rest is the transfer of charge. Transfer of charge from one body to another due to friction. So electricity at rest is what? It is transfer of charge, not continuous flow of charge. So electricity at rest and electricity in motion. Now we differentiate very well that electricity in motion, इसमें क्या होता है कि चार्ज कंटिन्यूअसली फ्लो होता रहता है, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट रेस्ट में क्या होता है? जस्ट चार्ज एक जगह पे है, दूसरी जगह पे जाके रुक गया, एक बॉडी से दूसरे बॉडी पे जाके रुक गया. लेकिन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन मोशन में क्या है? चार्ज कंटिन्यूअसली फ्लो होता रहता है. ओके, so this is the difference between electricity at rest and electricity in motion. That is the difference between electrostatic and electrodynamics. So now there is another term, that is frictional electricity. Frictional electricity. So what is frictional electricity? It is electrostatic is also called as frictional electricity. Why? Because electrostatic is processed because electrostatic is processed due to friction between two bodies. सो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक कैसे प्रोसेस होता है? ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन। तो इसीलिए इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक में से जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होता है वो किसके वजह से होता है? फ्रिक्शन के वजह से। इसीलिए इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक को भी कहा जाता है फ्रिक्शनल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। सो this is about the unit 1, that is electrostatic. Means what is electrostatic? Now we understood. In the next part we will discuss about the chapter 1, that is electric charges and field. Thank you.